What's up, friends? This is JIESCA tutorial and JIESCA shop. Do you have kids, nieces, nephews, or little loved ones who loves Minecraft?
Yes!
Who really likes to play it but don't have any access to it because it is a buy-to-play game? Well, in this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download, install, and let your little loved ones play the game of Minecraft for free. I know you are very excited, so let's get it on. But please, don't skip any part of this video so that you won't miss anything in the process. Hi, so in this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to a Minecraft launcher named T-Launcher. So their website is tlauncher.org/en. T-Launcher is the best Minecraft launcher. So there are a lot of Minecraft launcher out there, but this is the best that I can recommend you. So T-Launcher, all official versions from alpha to snapshots Minecraft, they can open it complete with all the available game versions from the original developers of Minecraft. At any time, you can install one of them, even the newest Minecraft, which is version 1.16. Now down here, you can also install Forge and Optifine in one click. You can install a modified version of the Minecraft game, but of course you need to have Forge to work with modes and Optifine to optimize the game and to boost the FPS. Now down here, we have the unique skin system. You can set your own skin that will be visible for all our users. And we can assure you that most of them use our launcher. So there are a lot of different skins available, so you can download and use one. Now here, we have logging in with a licensed account. So do not cease playing under your licensed account. Use all its advantages, licensed servers, skin system, your nickname, and all the best features of T-Launcher. Just log in with your email and password. Now next here, the launcher with modes. In T-Launcher, you can create your own modes. You can build your own modes in just one click with our new mod pack system. So there are a lot of mods here, maps, resources, packs with full of description and screenshots awaiting for you. Now lastly, we have here competitiveness. So obviously you have seen a lot of launcher for Minecraft, but you have found a lot of also shortcomings and flaws to them. So here, you get the maximum emotions from Minecraft because of the huge amount of content and feature provided by us, the developer of T-Launcher. Now, in order to use T-Launcher, we have to first sign up and make an account. You go here, click this one, sign up, and then you put here your login name. So for example, let's have this one, and then an email address, and then we put here our password, and then you click this one, I'm not a robot, and then what's this? So let's select the different parking meters, click verify, and then click sign up. Now next is we have to download the T-Launcher installer from here. And then you go here, download TL, and then you select whichever operating system you are using. Here I'm using Windows, so I'll click this one. And then you go to the downloads folder. I'll put it here. And then I will click save. And there you go. You have downloaded your T-Launcher installer. So right now we have already finished downloading the T-Launcher installer. So it's now time to install it in our operating system. All you have to do is double click the installer. And then here we have the welcome screen. We just click the continue button. And then here we need to accept the terms and license agreement. Then click continue. And then it's now ready to install. This is the folder that our T launcher will be installed. And then you click continue. The next is we have additional tasks. You run the installer after the installation, and then you create a shortcut on the desktop. Okay, let's click continue. And then right now the installation is completed. So all you have to do is click complete. Right, and there you go. You have already completed the installation of your T launcher. Your T launcher will be launched automatically. So as you can see, so we have here right now our T launcher program. So we have a message here. Just click OK. Now next is we need to select the version. So if it is the latest version that you want to play, the 1.16.1. So this is the latest version. And then next is we have to enter here the username that we created a while ago, that one. And then press the button to start the game. So we press this one, install. And right now it is downloading the Minecraft game and installing it automatically in our system. So all we have to do is wait for it to finish, and after this one we can log in and go to the game.
Yes!
So once you have downloaded all the Minecraft datas, so you will be prompted on this window, set your skin, and then you just follow the instructions here, and then you click OK. And then here you put here your account name, and then you select the latest release of Minecraft, which is for T launcher 1.16.1, and then you click this one, accounts. So we have to configure the accounts here. So again, you have here your email address. This is our email address. We forgot the account password. And then click save an account. So we have this one already. You can click this one, force update, if you want to be automatically updated if there is a latest version or if there is an update within the T launcher itself. And what you have to do right now is just enter the game. So we have to wait for a little while the game is logging in. So as you can see, it is now loading. And there you go. We have already the launching wallpaper of Minecraft Java Edition. So if you want to play single player, okay, so right now we are inside the game. So it's kind of laggy because I'm not using a gaming laptop or a gaming PC. I'm just using an ordinary laptop right here. We have some controls. So that's it. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please do leave a comment down below. Now, if you have learned something in this video, please do like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Once again, this is JIESCA Tutorial on JIESCA Show. Happy gaming and see you on the next video. Bye-bye!